Oh, picture me.
Beautiful years of a life well lived. 18 precious years lived with happiness. And 18 years of creating wonderful moments. And together with everyone around here, let me take you to a wonderful celebration of life and love. This is your host, Maven. Wala kayo mga kamay dyan! May kasamang hiyaw naman dyan. Yan ang gusto namin. Maraming salamat po. It's a very wonderful Sunday afternoon. You know what? Amidst the weather, amidst the threat of the typhoon, here we are. And God probably loves our debutant for giving us a very wonderful weather today. Can we give that a round of applause, please? Ladies and gentlemen, tonight is not only a celebration of life and love, but a celebration of family and friendship. Come together for one good reason, that is to celebrate the very wonderful life of Teresa. Of course, ladies and gentlemen, she will not be present in this beautiful planet without the presence of her loving and very supportive parents. Can mo, my dear friends and family.
Labaw sa kanan, panalipdi si Teresa sa mga tintal sa kinabuhi. Ilabi na siya
Ako bilang heart kay Orange ko. Ganun. Bulihok siya. Siyempre, buhi man tahan.